Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Tour Pro 2 earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset these earbuds. So I will show you two different methods. So let's start with the first method. The first method is by using the JBL headphones app. So I will open this app, and here is my JBL Tour Pro 2 which is already connected with this app. Now I will just scroll down, and here at the bottom you see this option of support. So just select it. Once you select it, here you see the number 4 option is about reset to factory settings. Just select it. Once you select it, here it will ask you if you want to reset to factory settings. So here is the reset option. So I will just select it, and then it will start resetting your earbuds. So it will take just a few seconds. So it will connect back to the app, and then it will disconnect it again. So you just have to wait. So now my JBL Tour Pro 2 headsets are completely reset. Now what you can do is you can just open the Bluetooth settings if you want to connect them back. So I will just scroll down the quick panel. I will press and hold this Bluetooth icon. So here is my Bluetooth settings. Now for example, if you want to connect them directly from here, you are unable to connect them. So for example, if I try to connect them, so here you will see after a few seconds it will give me a message, couldn't connect. Okay, so you will see this message here. So I will show you how you can connect them back. Okay, so here you can see it is saying couldn't connect. Okay, now what you have to do, first of all you have to turn off your Bluetooth, and then you have to put your earbuds back into the charging case. So I will put them back. So here you can see I put them back like this. And now what you have to do, you have to turn on your Bluetooth settings, and then you have to close the smart case for 2 seconds and then open it again. So once you open it again, here it will show you your JBL Tour Pro 2, and now if you select it and now if you try to connect it, it will get connected. So here you can see now it is connected for calls and audio. So now everything is done. The JBL Tour Pro 2 are completely hard reset, and they are also connected back. Now if you want to try, you can also try in the app. So I will just go back from the Bluetooth settings, and then I will open the JBL headphones app. So now here if you try to open it, so here if I just select it like this, so here you can see now the headsets are completely reset, and you can use all of the features and functionalities. Now let's talk about second method. So first of all, open your phone's Bluetooth settings. So I will bring down this quick panel, and here is the Bluetooth icon. So I will press and hold it like this, and it will open my phone's Bluetooth settings. Now you have to wear both of these earbuds into your ears. So I will take out this left earbud and I will wear it. And here is the right earbud. So after wearing the right earbud, you have to tap at the back side for 3 times, and on the third tap you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. So for example, if you tap it like this, 1 2 3, so on the third one you have to keep pressing it for 5 seconds. So I will wear it now in my ears. Okay, and now I will tap it for 3 times. So 1 2 and 3. So now I press and hold it for 5 seconds, and you will hear a voice prompt which says power off. And after this power off prompt, your earbuds will get disconnected from your device as well. Okay, so I will just wait, and you will see. So now it says power off, and after few seconds it will also get disconnected from your phone. So you have to just wait, and you will see it will get disconnected. So here you can see now the JBL Tour Pro 2 is disconnected from my device. Okay, so now the hard reset is completely done. Now you want to connect it back, but you have to follow a process. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to put your earbuds back into the charging case. So I will put it back in my charging case, and now just close this charging case, and now turn off the Bluetooth. So I will turn off the Bluetooth. Now what you have to do, you have to turn on the Bluetooth again, and then open the charging case. So now I will open the charging case. So now you will see these blue lights are blinking. So here you can see it is showing me the JBL Tour Pro 2. So now I will just select it. So once you select it, it will start connecting the earbud with the device. So after a few seconds, you will see the JBL Tour Pro 2 is connected. So here you can see the JBL Tour Pro 2 is now connected and ready to use. You can also open the app. So I will just close the Bluetooth settings, and here is the JBL headphones app. So I will just open it, and here if you select this JBL Tour Pro 2, it will open the app for you, and here you can use all of the features and functionalities for these earbuds. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.